The premium view rooms, especially those on the 8th floor, boast full views of both the bell and drum towers. Located in the heart of the old city, just within the Muslim quarter, and steps away from historic landmarks like the bell tower and drum tower, the hotel is less than 5 minutes walk from Beiyuanmen Street, which is packed with food stalls and shops. And with the Guangjijie metro station right at the entrance, this hotel is definitely worth considering. For where to eat and what to see in Xi'an, join us again on another journey that inspires your imagination.